I had a request to talk about this paper that I'll show in a little bit regarding the question, will mouthwash help to prevent COVID? Where I think the initial logic is, well, we use alcohol to sterilize our hands, and we're saying that that is good for COVID prevention and protection. Will the same be true if we gargle to help prevent COVID virus from settling in the back of our throats, maybe on our nose? Maybe we need a spray for that, but this is sort of the question posed. This is the paper that was sent to me from the Journal of Medical Microbiology. It's a 2022 paper. The title is CPC-containing oral rinses inactivate SARS-CoV-2 variants and are active in the presence of human saliva. Dental organizations have proposed using mouthwash to help mitigate the transmission of COVID during dental procedures. One of the active ingredients in mouthwash is cetylpyridinium chloride, or CPC. CPC is widely used in mouthwash formulations and has been shown to kill viruses, including COVID. So the paper is saying that their findings suggest that CPC mouthwash is a good virucidal, it'll kill viruses, and they tested several different variants against it. So I'm imagining these are COVID variants. So let's see what they did and how it's effective and in what ways. The study is quite small. They have 6 people, 3 male, 3 female, and they were given 5 sterile 30 milliliter containers, and they were asked to provide a 20 to 25 milliliter sample of saliva per container, and this was done twice, one on day 1 and one on day 2. These were gamma irradiated to kill any bacteria that was in the samples, and then they mixed in each saliva sample the alpha, beta, gamma, and delta variants of COVID. So first they did a control of saliva with COVID, dilute saliva with COVID, and then just COVID to test out if it was working. And they did a sample with ethanol, 70%, which killed all the COVID virus in that sample. So that was their control. And the results show that this mouthwash formula B with saliva, no COVID or very low COVID, mouthwash B with water, very low COVID, mouthwash B, very low COVID, SARS-CoV-2 control. So this is without the mouthwash, and then the ethanol control, which again, low to very no COVID, no to very low COVID. So I think that during dental procedures, using this 0.7% CPC concentration mouthwash is good for inactivating COVID during that procedure window. So within 30 seconds of taking the mouthwash, this viral load is completely reduced, but I assume this is going to build back up the more you generate saliva and the virus you're infected with comes back up to the surface. I'd be very interested in seeing a time plot for like how long the mouthwash activates. So you're gonna have that low level after the mouthwash, and then how long does it take from natural human saliva production for it to be increased back up again. And while they didn't show this in the results up the top, they found that 0.2% chlorhexidine digluconate, another mouthwash that's commonly used, did not have any substantial action against COVID. So this is something that people are going to want to consider in dentistry. Something I was kind of surprised about, but makes sense and that I haven't heard talked about, is that if you have oral cavities, these can provide a direct route of transmission for COVID. Basically stating that if you have poor oral hygiene with plaque buildups, gingivitis, periodontal disease, these can sort of help enable the circulatory system to become infected with COVID. So it's actually quite interesting. This might be something that could be added into like general protocols. So if you're going out somewhere, rinse with mouthwash that has this 0.7% CPC, and then it'll help to reduce it for some period of time. We definitely need more studies to see how long that reduction in your mouth viral load is, how long it lasts for, but it's definitely something that's interesting, and it shows that, yeah, while this is small, it could definitely be something that's effective. So yeah, I was really surprised by this. I like this. If other people have interesting questions or papers they want me to help translate for them, definitely like send me a message. I'm interested in this stuff, so yeah, thank you.